That's why we brought up patriotism. Patriotism is for every man, every human being, as long as you're living. It's our duty as Ugandans to love our country, to be proud of it, to be loyal and sacrifice for this country, and to love ourselves as Ugandans.
As young people, you need to focus on being Ugandans other than segments based on minor attachments in order to realize economic transformation.
Helen Seku or Commissioner wa Patriotism Office ya President najara ngo hatamani minje baza kugatomba shomesa abakozi b'ebitongore bya government hamwe n'abandi bebembezi.
Chief Guest Sir, the aim of this course was to improve the mindset orientation of these young youth who are supposed to be our future, so that they know where the country came from, where it is and where it is going, and how to get there.
And we shall not only stop on head teachers, we are going to take all public servants in different phases at different times in their sub-regions and districts to also go and undergo an ideological training that shall make them be ideologically transformed.
I have seen the district workers, now I'm seeing students. And I'm sure the knowledge that it is imparting on them will help them a lot.
Bwanyuma y'ebyo n'abejaba batunga hakiriye ko kushemerwa n'umwishongozi Ed Kenzo. Abejuru kumenaro kaga nibo batendekirwe kandi abakozere kurunje bahabwe biconco ahabwa TV West the air atiza.